Okay, well, we are here in bay number 1, the original self-serve bay. I'm not sure what kind of systems these are. Maybe they are Futura. I'm not sure. Futura, if so, I think they are Futura because they have ones really similar to that. This menu looks dirty. Yep, that's pretty dirty, all right. But this is apparently called Galaxie Auto Spa. Has a Lustra, as you can see right there, that is a Lustra bear. It's a credit card, or a debit card. Conquest. The maps go there. Foam brush. I think it's optional for the foam brush. Most people just put it here, but they used to go up there. It can still be put up there. Looks like they don't have a holder for this one. If they did, it'd probably be like maybe right here. I'm not sure. Here's the other menu. In the other one, the mats go there. I've already said that, but the mats go there. Here's the airlift door. Precision tune is in there. As you can see, these are really old bay openers. I think this bay might have used to be might have actually had a touch-free or just some automatic system in it at one point, but I'm kind of doubting that now because if you look at the drains, it doesn't make me think that it did, but it's just this and these things right here. It's a pole. It's a really, really dirty car wash. There's crap all over the floor. But it's nice. They do have heated bays, which is really nice. But other than that, the bays aren't really clean. Here is the old Laser Wash 4000 bay. This is now a self-serve bay. I'm not sure what kind of system this is, but this is another self-serve system, and as you can see right there, you can tell it used to have dryer, because used to be a drying bay, and then part of the dryer control is right there. I believe this had like really old aero dry dryers, some more mounting things. As you can see right there, there's a little bit of mounts from where the laser wash was mounted. More mounts for the laser wash. No, maybe those were the dryers right there. That's probably what those were in the back. But yeah, a lot of mountings back here. This door has a little problem. Open the door. As you can see back here, if you look at it, it says Laser Wash 4000 on it. They just put their decals. They just put their decals over that. So. Whew. And then mark VII control, door control thermostat. Let's open this door. There it goes. And as you can see, this one used to say Laser Wash 4000 on it too. Or it still does, but now it's a soft touch bay. As you can see, these are the floor guiders. It's a guide rails. The Mark VII system, Mark VII signage, Premier dryers. It used to have like a hose right there and more laser wash mountings. This one used to have laser, I think laser dry on it, either that or laser wind. Pretty sure it was laser dry though, that is the most common. Ooh. Wonder what those noises are. Anyways, this bay is the future of revolution. Here are the wheel spinners. Oh, that's that. That's making a noise. The underbody sprayers, drains, more mounts, a ton of more mounting things. I believe this is where the old treadle used to be. Either that or it was possibly up here. It's really nice that they have heated bays. These are the sensors. As you can see, they have the lasers on them right now. These are the Futura nozzles. Let's get a really up close view. These nozzles right here will rotate when the machine is moving front and back. If it's going back, they will stay in the position they are right now, and if they are going front, they will be the other way, just like this. There's another one of those things right there, Genesis drying systems. These are Futurist Torrent dryers. Unknown signage. This is definitely not Futura signage. I think this used to be like a bay thing. Not sure what it says. Security camera. Probably watching me. Door openers. I will not open this one until later. Cantex. I'm pretty sure that's like the manufacturer of these door things. These things I'm pretty sure monitor when the dryers should go off. Anyways, let's look at these Futura dryers, which are really nice. Really awesome design. And as you can see maybe not. It says rotation right there. It's a really nice bay. Triple foam, I don't think that has ever lit up here. This used to have paint on it, and now they put new things on there. Stainless steel gantry. I believe, maybe this was triple foam right here. Oh, looks like that's loose. That's usually where the triple foam goes with their newer machines. The Futura logo would be like right there. Another Revolution logo would be right there. Not sure what happened with the decal on the top of the gantry, or if it just didn't come with one. The gantry rails, the guide rails. Again, wheel spinners. Oh, as you can see, this one and this one are both different. Okay, shouldn't be open that long. Sorry about that. My dad was just going to pressure wash the mats. Door sensors right there. The door openers. Not sure if this door will open. I think it's trying to open. Not sure if this actually does open. Might be mounted shut. Oh yeah, I think that's mounted shut, as you can see right there. Might prevent it from opening. I'm not entirely sure though. I'm not the master on garage doors, airlift doors. This used to say something right there, I think. I'm not entirely sure though. But yeah, this is just amazes me. These wheel spinners are both different. These are I'm pretty sure what used to be the sensors for the Autech under pressure, or under pressure. I like that song by Queen. Anyways, chemicals stuff, drain. The chemical scope. Anyways, let's take another look at this Futura. These are nice. This is like the virtual positioning system. There are some right there. And this is high pressure. I think this is wheel wash. And here is another virtual positioning thing. Let's take another look at that Mark VII, or that Mark 7. I just like calling it Mark VII. Oh, it's kind of funny. Here's a brush strip. This just laying on the ground, but yeah, things wear off. Look at this. Nice clock. As you can see, tri-foam tubes right there. These are the side brushes. I'm not sure what these are. I know this is the light bar, and this is the thing that sprays the lava bath right there. Let's take a good look at that tubing. It's pretty nice. Got the motor. Get everything in there. Wheel wash brushes. And that sprays some water, I'm pretty sure. No, maybe this is a triple foam thing. Right there. I'm not sure though. And these are the LED lights. Top brushes are the nozzles for the top brush. Just had to reach up there and touch that quick. More tri-foam tubes right there. And that is about it for the tour. Thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, I haven't explored this game much yet. The pressure washer or the spray gun, whatever you want to call it. Coin box, foam brush, mats, and this is to be simple. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, night, evening, whatever time it is, wherever you watch it. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for watching.